Hello and welcome to my channel. We are going to start HTML series with CSS and examples for beginners. First and most important, we're going to install Sublime text editor with package control. Go to sublimetext.com. Download. Install. For package control, go to packagecontrol.io installation. Open the command palette. Type install package control, press enter. Go to tools, command palette, type install package control and hit enter. Wait for the package installation. Package control was successfully installed. Use the command palette and type install package to get started. Go to tools, command palette, type install package. Sidebar enhancement. Go to View, Sidebar, Show Open Files, and we're done. Keep watching for HTML series with CSS and examples. Please subscribe and like our video.